VMware by Broadcom. Let's quickly talk about the white label developments of the last couple of weeks. So your white label host, if you're a sub-CSP or white label consumer, should by now have his contracts, license keys and everything in place. If you haven't heard back from them on any of these items, better question them, because from what we heard in Las Vegas during Explore, from the initial 400 white label hosts, not all of them have finally signed the contract. So you might actually be in jeopardy as well. So be sure that your white label host has actually signed the contracts with Broadcom, is in good standing, has all the customer commits and the shared commits actually in place, because otherwise it's going to be tricky to get the licenses replaced, which needs to be done by the end of this month. If you are still looking for a white label host, then please ping us. We have the program in place. We can basically onboard you in just a matter of hours or days, and then you are back in a compliance situation. We can actually onboard you with usage meter, license keys and everything else, and then within a couple of hours you could actually be back in compliance. Otherwise, be prepared that there might be challenges for you moving forward. As Broadcom has written, all licenses are latest evaluated on the 30th of September, and many of the people actually told us already that they don't have any access to downloads or anything else anymore. So be sure to ping us if you still need a white label host. We can cover you in North America, in Europe and the Middle East, and we are also looking forward to potentially set this up in Australia and New Zealand. So if you're in Australia and New Zealand, ping us from there as well. See you soon.